Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your GMC Acadia without keys. Losing your keys can be frustrating, but there are several straightforward ways to get back into your vehicle. We will explore convenient options like using your vehicle's connected services, which can often unlock your doors remotely with just a phone call or a tap on an app. Additionally, we will discuss the importance of having a readily accessible spare key for those unexpected moments. Stay tuned for these easy solutions. Many modern GMC Acadia models come equipped with fantastic remote services, such as OnStar. If you have an active subscription, you can simply call their 24-hour assistance line or use their dedicated mobile application. With a few taps on your smartphone or a quick conversation, they can send a signal directly to your vehicle, unlocking the doors within moments. This method is incredibly convenient and prevents any potential damage to your car. One of the simplest and most reliable methods is to have a spare key. Many people keep a spare at home, but for immediate access, consider a secure, hidden magnetic key holder on the exterior of your vehicle. This small investment can save you a lot of hassle and time. Just remember to place it in a discreet spot where it is easily accessible to you, but not obvious to others. It is a smart backup plan. If the previous methods are not an option, your best bet is to contact professional roadside assistance. Services like AAA or your vehicle's manufacturer's roadside program have trained technicians who can safely unlock your Acadia using specialized tools. This approach minimizes the risk of damage to your door seals, paint, or electrical systems, which can easily occur with improvised methods. It is always better to rely on experts when dealing with your vehicle's security.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.